How to change the battery in Toyota Vellfire. In most Toyota cars, changing the battery erases the car's data and creates low RPM. This creates idling problems. Changing the battery this way will not erase the car's data. The RPM will not be low. There will be no idling problems. Watch the full video, inshallah. To change the car battery, I first switched off the ignition key. OBD2 ECU battery saver is a device used to prevent data loss or errors when replacing a vehicle's battery, usually by maintaining power to the ECU, engine control unit. These tools help preserve the vehicle's memory settings, including radio presets, seat positions, and other customized features. They are designed to be easy to use. First, connect the OBD2 battery server to the vehicle's OBD2 socket and take a 12-volt battery. Connect the red clip of the battery server to the battery positive terminal and the black clip to the battery. I connected it to the negative terminal. Battery replacement: the car battery is safely replaced while the battery saver is connected. Now I will go to the engine compartment and change the car battery. Now I unscrewed the car battery's negative terminal and positive terminal nuts. First, I disconnected the positive terminal of the battery. Now I disconnected the battery negative terminal connection. When changing the battery with the OBD2 battery server, be careful of the positive terminal so that it does not short-circuit the vehicle body or engine. Remove the old car battery from inside the car. Now I will reinstall this new battery inside the car. First, connect the positive terminal of the battery. Connect the positive terminal tightly. Then connect the negative terminal of the battery and tighten it well so that there is no loose connection. Battery replacement is complete. Now I will get inside the car. Disconnect the battery terminal of the OBD2 battery server. Now I will remove the OBD2 battery server from the car's OBD2 socket. Now I will start the car engine. Hey, after starting the engine, I will now check if there is any problem with the car. Is the engine RPM low or is it running idling? First I will turn on the car's air conditioning to check. I turned on the air conditioning and saw that there was no problem with the engine RPM. I changed the gear shift to reverse position and saw that there was no problem with the RPM. There is no problem changing the battery with this method.